Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Navigator. Today's video will be your guide on how you can make your LinkedIn profile great. If you're currently on the hunt for a job or just looking to make your LinkedIn profile look amazing, we'll be talking about how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile so that you can attract opportunities and land that dream job of yours. I highly recommend that you keep watching until the end, as each and every single one of these tips can make a great difference. So make sure that you stay tuned and follow through with each one of these tips so that you can increase your chances and your profile can stand out more. So the first thing that I must mention right now is the profile picture. A professional picture, as you might be wondering, how important can my profile picture really be? And to answer the question, according to LinkedIn, profiles with decent profile pictures are 14 times more likely to be viewed. And that is a huge number. So you should do it right. Your photo should reflect professionalism and approachability. It's usually best to opt for a picture where it's like a headshot where you're directly looking into the camera, smiling naturally. You should dress as you would prepare for an interview in your field, as this helps project a professional image. Try to ensure that the picture is high quality, obviously, and well lit. So no distracting background elements. Make sure you're not wearing sunglasses, for example, in your picture, or have anything distracting or covering your face. Remember that this photo is often your first impression, so make it count. The picture of Tara Hunt right here is actually a very good example. As you can see, she's smiling naturally and the picture is directly of her face. There is nothing in the background, nothing covering her face, no sunglasses or anything like that. So it makes a very good first impression. The second thing that we have to talk about is your headline. You need to create an engaging headline, as many people just place their job title there and just leave it at that. Your headline is actually extremely important. It's your opportunity to showcase your expertise or the value that you can bring to a potential employer. If you simply write your job title, that is actually very boring and it doesn't tell what you can bring to the table. It doesn't really show any value that you can bring. And for the first thing that people can see on your profile, this can be a bad first impression. The next thing we have on this list is recommendations and LinkedIn's features. Recommendations can significantly boost your profile's credibility, so request recommendations from people who know that you work well, and remember that giving a decent recommendation will often lead to receiving them. So for example, let's say you're a digital marketer, right? So instead of typing in the headline just digital marketer, you can type digital marketer specializing in boosting web traffic and conversion rates. This way you're highlighting your specific skills and the potential benefits to an employer. So moving on to the next thing, we must talk about the About Me section. This is your best chance to tell your professional story in your own words, and is actually more than just a quick introduction. It's a conversation starter. It is a way to make your profile stand out, and it gets people directly to the point of what you can bring to their company or organization. If you don't have the most optimal writing skills, I suggest simply going to ChatGPT. So type in chat.openai.com, make an account, and then ask it to write you an About Me section for LinkedIn. So for example, write me an About Me section in LinkedIn for a digital marketing student. And then as you can see, it will start writing your About Me section, and it's going to use very good words and keywords that will actually resonate well with recruiters. So you can simply just copy and paste that into your profile and it will make a pretty decent About Me section. If you think this kind of text maybe doesn't suit you or it's too long, you can simply ask it to rewrite it, but add whatever you want it to be. So for example, we can ask it to make it shorter if you want that, or maybe longer if it suits you better. And then it will just simply make it a little bit shorter where you can copy and paste it onto your profile. Next up, we have the experience section. This is where it's basically your online resume, and you can mention every single thing that you have done in your career up to this point. Now, one very important thing to keep in mind is that most people, when adding to the experience section on their resumes or even on LinkedIn, they simply put in their role and their job title. Now, this is not the most captivating thing for recruiters. In my opinion, what you should be doing is that you should be listing your responsibilities and, most importantly, your achievements. Keep in mind that quantifiable achievements resonate super well with recruiters, so use that to your advantage. Also, LinkedIn offers numerous features. For example, the Open to Work feature that informs recruiters that you're actively looking for opportunities. The next tip I'll be sharing with you is that you try and make your profile resonate well. So for example, if we look at Tara Hunt's profile, you can see that she's an interior design student, and at the same time she has the banner thingy of a little interior design that kind of showcases the kind of job that she does. So this works very well as it tells you a clear and concise story of what kind of skills she might possess. Another thing, if you look at the featured, you will see probably like her past work and what she can do to showcase her skill very well. So it puts a very good front for people who are recruiting to come here and see, oh, this is an interior designer, this is what she's capable of. I can see like a little bit of her work and it all looks very good together. The last tip that I have for you today is that you should be aware of the advantage of LinkedIn Premium. You might be wondering if it's worth upgrading to LinkedIn Premium, so let me explain what you stand to gain from it, and then you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So first of all, the best thing about LinkedIn Premium is that LinkedIn offers a 1-month free trial of their premium features. This is a great opportunity for you to test out the service and see if it suits and fits your needs. Remember though, you'll need to cancel before the trial ends just so you avoid getting billed. So one tip that I personally use myself, and I suggest that you do it as well, is that whenever you have a free trial that you're not sure whether you want to continue it or not, the second you get that trial, I want you to go and set a reminder for the end date of that trial so that it sends you a reminder on your phone or something so you remember to cancel it if you don't want to continue it. So moving back to the LinkedIn Premium, it has a bunch of features that you might find very useful. The most prominent ones in my opinion are the Who Viewed My Profile and the In-Mail services. For the Who Viewed My Profile feature, it gives you full visibility on everyone who has viewed your profile in the last 90 days. You can see the industry they work in, their job title, and even the keywords they used to find you, which you can use all of that to your advantage to make your profile appealing for them and hopefully for them to connect with you or offer you a job opportunity. For the second feature, the In-Mail one, you can directly message anyone on LinkedIn, whether you're connected or not, and this is actually huge. If there is a certain recruiter for a company that you're very much interested in, you can simply send your application to them directly on messages even if you're not connected. That way, you will immeasurably increase your chances of being viewed and for them to actually look at your profile, and if they're hiring, why wouldn't they send you an interview? You also get access to LinkedIn Learning, which offers a wide range of online courses to help you up your skills and boost your employability. Some of them even offer a certificate when you're done with the courses that you can put on your profile and make it even more appealing. So as you can see, LinkedIn Premium provides a bunch of tools and features that can help you put your profile out there, make it stand out, and hopefully get you the dream job that you've been looking for. And with that, guys, we will have reached the end of this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. And if you found any of these tips helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content similar to this.